Hi you guys, welcome to another video. Look at this. I've had a surprise parcel arrive from Madam Glam. I love this bubble wrap. Look at what it comes in there. It's so cool. I've not seen anything like that before. Look at this. So like I said, this was a surprise parcel. And it looks like it's Madam Glam's new July gel polish collection. And July being Madam Glam's 10th year anniversary. So I just want to say a massive congratulations to Madam Glam on your 10-year anniversary. I'd love it if you guys would show them some love in the comments. So let's take a look inside, shall we? Actually, let's look on the back first, just to see what it says. So, for those of you that don't know about Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and hema-free. Absolutely amazing quality gels, guys. For anyone that has allergies, especially hema allergies, things like that, Madam Glam gels are great for you guys. As we celebrate a decade of redefining elegance and beauty, immerse yourself in an enchanting fusion of the iconic New York City skyline and the serene wonders of nature. This exclusive box is a tribute to the very essence of Madam Glam, where sophistication meets innovation. This box holds the secret of glamorous nails, an entire line of hema-free, vegan, cruelty-free and 21-free innovative products for all the nail art lovers and professionals to elevate their beauty sustainably. Indulge in the allure of Madam Glam, where every manicure tells a story of a decade adorned with elegance. Here's to a perfect 10 and many more glamorous years to come. I'm loving this packaging. It's beautiful, isn't it? So inside the box, woo, who's ready to see? Some of you guys might have seen, I did put a little sneaky post out showing you a little peek of the bottom of the box a few days ago. A decade of glamorous nail products. Beautiful. Look at these colours, guys. These are right up my street. I love me some nudes, some bright colours, a couple of pastels as well. We've got some gold foil in there, and we've also got some shell pieces. These look nice. Look at these, they're pretty. Aren't they? So, I'm going to start off by swatching the colours first, and then I just want to do a little design on my right hand using a couple of the colours. I've got a couple of designs in mind what I want to do with a few of these colours, but I'm going to go with the easy beginner friendly design today because I'm going to be swatching them and everything. I don't want the video to get too long with a super long design afterwards, so I'm going to swatch them, do a really easy beginner-friendly design on my right hand, and then in a couple of days, I'm going to do a design using these two. Dying to do a design with these two colours together. Now, you might be thinking, why does she not sound as excited as she normally does when she gets something like this? I am going to be honest, I did have a little sneaky peek when it arrived. Normally, I don't have a look, so you guys hear my first reaction to seeing it, which is usually a squeaky high-pitched voice. But yeah, I did have a little sneaky peek of this because I didn't know what was inside it. I didn't have a clue. So I am going to be honest, I'm not going to lie, I did have a little sneaky peek. That's why I probably don't sound as excited as I normally do. So, swatch sticks are all ready to go. Just going to pull them all out and then we'll get swatching. So we're going to start off by swatching the nudie sort of base colours first. So the first one is Cake Batter. This is like a really nice light nude. So again, for those of you that's not heard of Madam Glam gels, you get 15ml in glass bottles. You've always got your swatch on the lid there, your colour name on the bottom, and then you've got your ingredients on the back. A cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. So I'm just going to bring you down a bit and then we'll get swatching. So it's like a light creamy colour. Next one up, we've got Chick Rose. Oh, that's a beautiful base colour, isn't it? That's like my kind of nail bed colour. What I use when I'm doing gel polish designs. Really pretty colour that. We've got Peach Fuzz. Right guys, so I'm going to speed the rest of the swatches up now, pop a little bit of music on. And then once they're all swatched and top coated, we'll come back, take a look at all the colours, and then we'll move straight on into doing the design. Just before I speed that up, I just want to show you this one very quickly. So this is a nude, but a little bit on the darker side. It's actually a really nice nude colour, I like that. So pop that in the lamp to cure, and now we're on to the colours. So this one is Mojito. So there we are guys, that is them all swatched. I have also given them a coat of shiny top coat and a coat of matte top coat as well, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. There's some really pretty colours there, isn't there? I'm loving that they've got these three sort of cover colours, pinks, nudes. I love that they've thrown them in there amongst these gorgeous bright colours. This pastel blue is really pretty as well. I really, really like them. I'm dying to do a design using the Minty Mirage, which is this one, and Pink Frenzy. I think they're going to make a really smart design together. But today, I'm going to do a design using... what am I using? I don't actually know. I think I'm going to use Pink Frenzy, Birthday Bash, and Blue Jolie. I think they're the colours that I'm going to be using today. I'm not going to bother applying a cover colour because these are already pre-coloured anyway. I like using these, you know, just for doing quick gel polish designs on. It saves you having to paint your base colour. Saves so much time for videos like this. So, yeah, I don't need to paint a base colour. Go straight in with the design. So, first thing I need... No, actually, scrap that. First thing I'm going to do is get my palette out, and on my palette I'm going to pop a little bit of Birthday Bash, a little bit of Blue Jolie, then a bit of Pink Frenzy, also want to add a little bit of bold white as well. Not too much, just a little bit. Like that. Then I'm going to, what am I going to do? Now I'm going to add a little bit of base coat. I think I'm going to do one, I might do a couple of nails at a time. Now because I've not got blooming gel, this is why I'm using a base coat. If you have got blooming gel, then this is where you want to be applying your blooming gel. But base coat does pretty much the same job. Probably doesn't bloom as well, but it still does the job. So I think I might do a couple of nails at a time, I think. And then I'm going to get my dotting tool. I'm just going to whiz through these colours. Like that, kind of. Right, we're going to leave it like that for now. So now I've pulled out a nice flat brush. I'm just going to scoop through those colours. Like this. Like that. Then I'm going to place them on the nail at a diagonal like this. Like that. That. Then I'm taking a little bit of kitchen roll and I'm just putting that up those side walls, and that's going to pull off any of that excess, and that will stop that wrinkling in the lamp. It'll also keep that nice sharp shape as well, and then cure them for 1 minute. Right, so that's them two done. Now we're going to do these two. I'll do the thumb off camera, guys, because it's all the exact the same. I don't mind showing you doing these other two though, because it is a nice, quick, easy process.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do.
Same again. Push it up the side, lift it off. Push it up the side, lift it off. Like that. Right, so that is all the marble done, guys. Now I just want to run a little bit of this gold transfer foil through the marble and just add a little bit, I don't know, I might use gold leaf actually, just to outline the marble, if you know what I mean. Just do like little bits of gold leaf dotted along there. I think that's what I'm going to do. In fact, I'm going to do that first. Right, so this gold leaf, I'm going to break it up into little bits. And I'm just sticking that into the tacky layer of the gel polish. So that's the gold leaf all applied. And now I'm going in with some Madam Glam's foil glue. And I've added a little bit of that to my palette. And I'm using a really fine detailer brush. And I'm just doing some wiggly lines, just a couple on each nail, but only on that marbled area. Then give that cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with that gold foil.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping your texts now.
Right, so they're all ready for some top coat now, guys. So I think I'm going to give them a matte top coat, I think. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with a matte top coat, you know. So, I'm going to use Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And that is what the nails look like, all finished. Do you know what I'm kind of wishing I'd done now? Kind of wishing I'd gone over that gold leaf with the shiny top coat. Just to make it stand out a little bit more. Oh well. Ah well. It was just a quick design using some of the colours. Let's have a quick look at the swatches again, one last time. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? I really like this chic rose, or chic rose. It's a really pretty nail bed colour. I like it. So yeah, that's them all swatched. And then remember, guys, as well, like I said earlier, I really want to do a design this week, in the next couple of days actually, using this one and the pink. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. Again, I just want to say a massive congratulations to Madam Glam on your 10-year anniversary. Thank you so much for sending out this anniversary box for us to take a look at. It's absolutely beautiful. Love it. So I will leave the names to all of these gel polishes in my description box below, guys. These are available to buy individually, the colours are. You can also buy the whole collection, but not buy it in the anniversary box. And obviously you can buy the anniversary box as well. But I shall leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments. I have also got a massive 35% off discount code as well. I'll also leave that pinned in my comments, so don't forget to pop that in at checkout. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.